Okay, so one last thing that you could do is start your own YouTube channel. This is where I save all of my screencast videos. So once you're done recording a video, you can download it to your YouTube channel. It'll show you clear instructions. It's super easy. I made mine private so no one else can see these recordings except for you guys. This is a way to save from putting all of these videos onto your computer. It takes up a lot of space, and I suggest you don't do it. It's super easy to make your own channel. Just sign in over here in my account. I made the channel, and then every time I do a video, I just save it here. And then at the end of the semester, you'll have all of your videos done. You can either keep them for future reference or, delete at a time that you feel is right.